Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by. My name is Sumit and I'm from India. Today I'm starting to build the C-2 Greyhound, which is a well-known US Navy aircraft built originally by Grumman. I started off with designing it in 3D and I'm following 1/15th scale of the original plane. After a few hours of modeling, this is what I ended up with. I'm already amazed to see how cool it looks, and the urge to build it just became stronger. As you will see, I already laid out the template in the 3D, ready to print. It covers all the skin templates of the fuselage too. Then I started off by taking the printouts and cutting all the templates. These templates will later be used while cutting the parts off the Depron foam. I'm going to use 5 mm thick Depron foam for most of this build. After cutting all the required pieces, I start by sanding and gluing them together. Sanding all the edges was required, since in my case, the cut parts were roughly a millimeter larger than expected. I think that extra millimeter was acquired while tracing the paper templates on the foam sheet. This is all mostly 5 mm Depron. However, a little bit of 5 mm PVC sheets will also be used for reinforcement. Once finished, the fuselage frame should look like this. I'm going to use aluminum channel in the tail section of the fuselage to reinforce it. Since there is no horizontal support there, it will be more prone to flexing under G-forces. A pair of 10 mm wide aluminum channel running through the entire tail section will make the structure sturdy enough to handle all the G-forces. After an hour of gluing and sanding, this is what I was able to achieve. So that's all for today's video. If you liked watching it, hit thumbs up and post your suggestions in the comment section. Hit subscribe to stay tuned for my next video as I will continue to build this awesome aircraft. Until then, take care.